In this video, I explain why some color combinations make a space look expensive, and why others don't. We'll break down contrast, undertones, lighting, and material balance to understand what creates a refined interior. Welcome back to my channel, Decor Design Ideas, where I explain interior design concepts clearly and practically. Let's start with contrast, one of the biggest factors that separates high-end interiors from ordinary ones. Contrast balance. Expensive-looking interiors usually have balanced contrast. That means there's a clear difference between light and dark elements, but it's controlled. Light walls plus deep accent. Neutral base plus bold focal tone. Without contrast, rooms feel flat. Too much contrast without balance feels chaotic. Undertone harmony. Undertones are one of the biggest reasons color combinations fail. Warm beige plus cool gray clash. Warm wood plus cool paint conflict. When undertones fight each other, the space feels off, even if the colors technically match. Texture and material pairing. Color never exists alone. It interacts with materials. Matte versus glossy. Wood grain. Fabric softness. Metal finishes. Luxury interiors mix textures thoughtfully, not randomly. Negative space. Expensive interiors use negative space. Fewer colors. Controlled palette. Breathing room. When too many colors compete, the room feels busy instead of refined. Lighting influence. Lighting changes how color is perceived. Warm lighting enhances warm palettes. Cool lighting can flatten certain tones. The same palette can look expensive in one light and dull in another. Simplicity and consistency. Most high-end interiors use a limited color palette, usually 2 to 4 tones. Consistency across room. Repetition creates harmony. Expensive-looking interiors aren't about using expensive colors. They're about using color intentionally. When contrast, undertones, lighting, and texture work together, the result feels cohesive and refined. Subscribe for more interior design concepts explained step by step.